Welcome to our guide on how to find friends by interest on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open X, Twitter, on your PC to start exploring friends based on your interests. Step 2. Look for and click on the Discover link located in the top left corner of your X session. Step 3. Click on Browse Categories on the left side of your session to explore different interest categories. Step 4. Select the link of any category that catches your interest to delve deeper into related profiles. Step 5. Browse through the profiles of friends who share your interest within the selected category. Step 6. To connect with friends who resonate with your interests, click on the Follow button on their profiles. By following these steps, you can easily find and follow friends based on shared interests on X, Twitter, on PC, fostering connections with like-minded individuals. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to find friends by interest on X, Twitter, on PC. Enhance your Twitter experience by exploring and following friends who align with your passions and hobbies. Enjoy the process of discovering and connecting with friends who share your interests on X, Twitter, to engage in meaningful conversations and interactions within your online community.